right, this is beautiful. This is beautiful rendition. But I hope you didn't just watch it and enjoy the harmonies and all that. There's a lot of things to pick up from here, which you as a singer need to know. And the first thing I want to break down is team effort. All right. So one of the things about backing up on stage, just like playing football. Okay, we all understand our roles, but it must be done in sync. Right. Now, the first thing you must understand as a singer is that you're able to understand how to hear yourself. First of all, hear yourself. Why do you need to hear yourself first? To understand how loud you can be. So that you don't sing and they're hearing more of the alto or more of the soprano or more of the tenor. Everything is in sync. They sound as one. Right? Now, he was taking his mic back. Now, that is a sign of good vocal control. He understood the assignment, he understood how to control his voice. And if you listen carefully, there were some riffs, there were some notes he was singing, which were not necessarily important to the song, but had flavor to the song. Now, if he had placed his mic close to his mouth, it would not really make the song look good. So the idea is that is a source to the song that is just there at the background, adding a little bit of the diversities to it, but they're not putting it directly to the mic. Those of you who think you are a very good singer and all that, the beauty about singing harmonies is to understand when you need to do what, how you need to do it. All right. Now, this can show you and give you a template on how to sing and control your volume as a team so that you sound as one.